So welcome back again to my channel. Your girl is back with workout. I know I haven't been doing any workout for a long time. I saw this video on YouTube, guys. I'm really willing to try it out. It said put Vaseline with ginger liquid, like ginger juice, and rub it in your belly and leave it out for 2 hours, and you're gonna get flat tummy over that. Like, people, oh my goodness, I know this type of video is what people love to watch because they don't like the truth. Okay, right, so now I'm gonna be giving it a try. When I saw it, I was like just for 2 hours, only 2 hours. Trust me, guys, okay? But anyway, in anything that you want to do in your life, if you want to do workout, if you want to put Vaseline, put whatever in your belly to lose belly weight, you just have to be consistent with it, okay? So for me, I've already wrapped it on, as you guys can see, on my belly, okay? And this is how I prepare everything. It's very easy. I just cut the ginger and grate it, and then try and squeeze the juice out, and you can add like 1 spoon or half spoon of Vaseline inside, and then rub it on your belly, and then you can do whatever thing you want to do. So they actually said it works for 2 hours, just only 2 hours. Oh my goodness. Are you like seriously that we're gonna lose belly fat in 2 hours? I wouldn't be struggling since I gave birth for 3 years. Like, this is so ridiculous. But anyway, I just wanted to give it a try for you guys to see, and I hope this really works, okay? It said you're going to sweat, obviously. So I just want to check if I'm really going to sweat. So I'm gonna be working out, okay, guys? If you guys want to lose belly fat, if you want to do anything to lose weight or to lose your belly fat, be consistent. That's the key. Be consistent, eat clean, drink a lot of water, okay? Try and eat less portion of what you're eating. It doesn't mean that you should stop eating everything just to get fit, but you can still eat everything, just eat less portion. Discipline yourself to work out at least 3 to 4 times in a week. If you don't have time, at least 10 minutes, maybe once in a week is perfect. Just discipline yourself, okay? So yeah, like I said, I've already wrapped this stuff in my belly. It's really hot, like I can feel it. I can feel the burn, to be honest. I thought it's only Vicks that will burn your belly like this, but this is really burning. And I'm gonna be doing my favorite girl exercise, growing anus. So the exercise is actually booty and ab workout. And then I will show you guys later if this thing really burned. But to be honest, just now that I'm talking to you guys, I can feel burn. Like, I can literally feel a lot of burn, okay? So my goodness. Like, guys, what? Wow, I do sweat, okay? I know I just did exercise, but trust me, guys, my arm, even now that I took it out, the area is still burning. Like, it's really, really good, okay? Before I said I don't know how this is gonna work, but guys, trust me, if you continue doing it, if you keep rubbing this stuff into your belly, if you want to do exercise, or whenever you want to do exercise, or you're just walking around at home and you're cooking for your kids, and just keep the process, rub this stuff into your belly. Trust me, guys, you'll lose belly fat, okay? Because this thing, it really, really hurts. My mom, you just gave birth, and not with C-section, okay? Because it might burn the scalp. So if you just give birth and you really want to lose that fat belly, try this method. It's really gonna be good for you. And if you already gave birth and you still want to lose belly fat, okay, just rub this stuff into your belly, walk around for 2 hours or for 3 hours before you go and take your shower, and wash it out, and keep the process every time. Trust me, guys, it's going to help you to lose your belly fat. And if you have time to do exercise, of course, throw some exercise into it, maybe once or twice in a week, and it's gonna speed up the process, okay? So thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, give your girls a thumbs up, share this video to your friends who have a big belly and who want to lose belly fat quickly at home without underneath, okay? We don't have money for surgery, okay? So we're gonna do anything as possible to lose our belly fat. The fact that this one is just at home, it's working, why not? You probably have ginger right now that you're watching me, you have Vaseline at home, you have this wrap in your kitchen, so just wrap it around your belly right now that I'm just explaining this video to you. Go and do it, and come and drop me a comment later, okay? So thank you all so much for watching. Hope to catch you on Wednesday. Bye bye.